Are you in the marketplace for a property in the Treboeth area in Swansea? Or do you know someone who is? The property I've got behind me is a 2-bed high-spec property in Gelli Aur. Follow me inside, take a look for yourself. You're going to love this. Showcasing this fantastic property is this beautifully appointed kitchen with fully integrated Bosch appliances, including fridge freezer, induction hob and pyrolytic oven. So that was the inside of our property, and this is our external garden. The attention to detail inside replicates out here as well, and as you can see, we are full of vibrant colours, beautifully lawned area, some raised beds as well, and an appointed greenhouse behind me. If this property is of interest to yourself, somebody you know, or friends and family alike, I'd be delighted to speak to you. I'm Dav Spear, this is my new listing on Gelli Aur. I cannot wait to see you soon.